Good morning, amazing people! Gising na kami and tinatawag na kami mag-breakfast. Back to Quezon City! Aray lang! Basta ako! So, mag-breakfast na kami mga amazing people. And parang umuukay naman na konti ang aking boses. Kagabi parang walang boses talaga. Kaya magluluya tayo ulit. And strepsil. Tapos warm water lang tayo. Bawal muna ang malamig. Yes. So, see you later mga amazing people. Wala naman kaming plano today. So, dito lang kami sa bahay nila. Magpapahinga lang. Dito lang kami magre-rest. Kailangan din namin ng pahinga para magkaroon ng energy. Para bukas, gagala na naman tayo. So, breakfast na tayo mga amazing people. Let's go. Let's go, love. Let's go, love. Let's go. Come on. Halika na.
A few moments later.
Morning, Quezon City. Kala ko lumabas sila. Pero 8-seater.
Straight na na.
Oo.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Very wide.
A few moments later.
While waiting for the dinner for today, we are playing cards. Playing cards. Playing cards.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Coke? Okay.
2,000 years later.
So, hello amazing people. So, tapos na kami nag-dinner. And nakapag-rest saglit, saka nag-shower. Yes! Nakadamit pang tulog na ako. And nakikita niyo my Krispy Kreme. Yay! So, mamaya na ako mag-skincare kasi hindi na ako makapag-antay. Tikman ang Krispy Kreme. Bigay ni mother-in-law. Thank you so much, mother. Snacks muna kami ni Big Boss. Oh, excuse me po. May konting ubo. Pero, parang nagiging okay na yung boses natin. Bumabalik na siya. Sobrang malamig lang kasi doon sa Sheraton Hotel. Talagang no? Malamig. Malamig siya, naka-centralize. Pero pwede mo naman siya i-off. Pero mainit. Di pwede kay Big Boss. Naiinitan siya. So, okay lang naman. Pero at least, okay na siya. Bumabalik na yung ating boses. Di kagaya nung nakaraan na walang-wala tayong boses. Pati kagabi, walang-wala. So, mag-snacks muna kami. And then, after that, mag-edit tayo ng vlog for tomorrow. Tapos, matutulog na kami. Kasi tomorrow, meron na naman kaming lakad. And that's it for today. Yun lang naman yung mga nangyari today. Hindi kami lumabas. Nandito lang kami sa bahay. Nag-play lang kami ng cards. So, natulog after ng lunch. Yun lang naman yung mga nangyari today. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed. And see you in my next vlog, mga amazing people. Bye. Good night, everyone. Good night.
Bye.